Hello! Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cat. When drawing anything, it's easier to use a pencil first to make some basic shapes, and then later we can grab our pen to draw out the final lines. So, pick up your pencil and let's get going! The first thing we're going to do is simply draw a line going down the middle of the page. On this line, start by drawing an oval at the very top. This is going to be the cat's head. Now, draw another line going across the oval. We'll find out what that's for a bit later on. Draw another oval shape just underneath your last one, but this time, draw it lengthways. This is going to be the cat's body. On top of this, draw a big triangle. Then, within the triangle, draw two little lines from the bottom of the oval to the bottom of the triangle. It's going to look a bit like a superhero wearing a cape. Draw two tiny little ovals at the bottom corners of the triangle and two more at the bottom of the lines. We can't forget the cat's tail. To add this, draw a little wiggly line and attach it to the side of your triangle. Before we move on to using our pen, did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit the subscribe button and be the first to know when we've uploaded another great video? So now that we have our basic shapes, we're going to carry on and draw the rest of the cat. Start by outlining the oval we made for the cat's head. Then, for the body, go over the curves and smooth out the lines of the triangle. We're going to do this on both sides. Begin to outline the cat's outer feet, carrying on the line until it reaches the middle paws. Next, go over the centre line of the legs we sketched earlier. Try doing the same with the lines either side, but do these with a slight curve. Draw two little circles for the paws and match them up to your lines. Now you can see you have the main body of the cat. Now, on top of the head, draw two triangles for ears. These can be as pointy or as short as you like, depending on what you'd like your cat to look like. On the line we drew through our oval earlier, we're going to draw some eyes on our cat. To do this, start by drawing two arches, followed by two little curves underneath. Inside each eye, draw two more circles, leaving the smallest one white to show that the light is reflecting from your cat's eyes. Draw a little circle on the centre line of your cat's face and two little curves underneath. Now your cat has a nose and a mouth. Go over the tail with your pen to finish the cat's body. You can choose how long or bushy you want your cat's tail to be. To add in final details, don't forget to draw some little lines on the paws. A little line at the top of the legs, and of course, 3 whiskers on either side of the cat's face. You might now want to add some markings to your cat. You can have a stripy cat, a spotty cat, or a plain cat. hope you've enjoyed drawing your cat today. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes. We'll be back soon with more fun how to draw videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.